Should you install your child's car seat with the lower anchors or with the vehicle seatbelt? I'm Jacoby, and I'm a child passenger safety technician and instructor. When installing a car seat, you have two installation options: the vehicle seatbelt or the lower anchor connectors. For a seatbelt install, thread it through the belt path on your base or car seat and buckle it in like normal. Just make sure you are always referencing your car seat manual. Not every car seat is approved for every belt type. The other option is the lower anchor system. This is what LATCH stands for: Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children. Those are the metal anchors built into your seat bite where your vehicle's seat back and seat bottom meet. Your car seat base has connectors that click directly into those anchors, securing the base to your vehicle. Seatbelt and lower anchor installation are equally safe when they're done properly. You never want to use both together. Think of it as putting on your contact lenses and then your glasses. It's not something you would do. No matter which installation method you choose, you need to make sure it's secure. You want less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back, and you want to check for that movement only at the belt path. Don't use all of your super strength to test. We want to check with the strength of a firm handshake. Finally, your vehicle manual is going to tell you which seating positions are approved for car seat installation and any restrictions specific to your car. Both manuals have to agree. If one says no, the answer is no. But done correctly, both lower anchors and seatbelt installations are safe options, so choose what works best for your setup.